In this video, we will show you beautiful welcome slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start. Go to Insert, click on Video. Here I have downloaded the video from Google. Select it and insert it. Go to Insert. Select Bevel. Go to Rotate. Select Rotate left 19. Go back to Insert and select Rectangle from Shape. Drag it. Select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go back to Insert. Select Text Box. Draw a text box. Here we write Welcome. Select and pick a new font your text. Make it bold. Increase the size. Center your content. Go to Format, Align Center and Align Middle. Go back to Insert. Select Text Box. Here we write Create PowerPoint Presentation. Select and pick a new font for your text. Increase the size. Go to Character Spacing. Adjust the spacing between character. First select Rectangle, next select Text Box. Go to Merge Shape and select Combine. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill and select Color. Select and change the color. Now let me watch the slideshow, and this is looking beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.